Hey guys, we are back at the Comfort Suites, Maingate East on Arlo Bronson. Perfect location, but we were here a year ago. It was a little bit on the dusty side. So we're here to check it out again and see if it's improved. Let's get going.
Let's go check out the room. Guys, keep in mind that I'm just reviewing the room and not the hotel services or the breakfast. Let's see. Okay. So already I'm happy because it should have been two queens, but there's also a little sitting area slash bed for my son to sleep on. So, bathroom, towels, everything looks normal. The same bathtub that a lot of hotels have that I'm not crazy about. But we didn't pay high money for this, so I don't expect a stand-up shower only. So, it smells clean in here. It looks clean. To me, it looks cleaner than it was last time we came. The beds. Let's do the whole finger. Oh! Listen, okay, not everyone cleans up there, but it's a lot of dust. Okay? But my issues was with the fan. The fan was dirty, but the fan was running, which means the dirt would be all over. Just gonna put this in the bathroom. There's no point in adding dirt. Before I even show you guys the fans, I want to show you this. No rust. The last room we had here, our lamp was all rusted everywhere. It was disgusting. Check out our last video. I can put it in the link if you wish. It's clean. This room is spotless compared to last year's room. Okay, so our major concern last time was with the fans. They were not clean at all. Now they are still a little bit dirty here. A little bit. But overall, they have been cleaned. Look. Look. They've been cleaned, but they can be cleaner. It was running when we came in, so when it runs, well, obviously the dirt falls everywhere here.
Okay, I definitely changed my mind since staying here for 3 days. Fridge that leaks. Ants and bugs all over. You know the way they have the sugar and the stuff for the coffee here? They were all full of ants. Ants everywhere. A sink that is not empty very easy, but filled very easy. Look at this. Dum 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 dum. Not to mention disgusting smelling corridors full of garbage and towels. Not the hotel's fault, but still, the hotel needs renovating. And last but not least, and the last demonstration, let's see if it works or not, a little bit of toilet paper. Listen to the sound that just echoes throughout the whole room. So it's actually working fine now because I'm taping it, but normally it would be 2-3 swirls. But listen to the sound. It's still swirling, look. I was always scared a snake was going to come up and bite me in the ass or something. And that is not to mention the diapers, the band-aids that we found at the pool, the disgusting spa that had a bunch of white floaties in it that we still don't know what it was. The corridors that smell like garbage,
that have towels piled up to the sky, that have garbage bags, not little hotel bags, garbage bags, like Glad bags in the corner, or piled up high, so high to the elevator that you could barely even press the button to go up or down. So we're checking out a day early and going to a different hotel. That's how bad it is. So I would not recommend this hotel. It has not changed in the 1 year we've been here. If anything, it's gotten worse. So please think twice about coming here. Thank you.